I mean, I tell you this, I know your daughter-in-law, Brianna, I see this. I know you might have watch it, and him son them watch it. I'm going to tell you this, pussy. Pablo, you can't hide till God come. But done with badness, you know. But one more me have left, though. One more me have left. So you, anywhere me catch you, I see how long you can hide for, brother. Anywhere me catch you, bro. Bro, all in here get it, bro. You just go and hide, man.
When you hear that, my viewers, man, I send threat to the Ivy Road Dan Pablo. I say anyway him hold him, a brawling murder. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video, yeah. Subscribe to my channel if you do not subscribe yet. So here we go on to them people. Top killer Bagga, friend them a send threat. But them a go turn up porous Manchester and police them find M16 rifle at Rivoli. So before me jump in at the reason I make gonna know what go on, listen to this.
This a joke thing, Virgin. See me? A joke thing this. Not even 2010. But my name a ring up. My name a call up like now. 2010 when I barely live it out. But barely live it out, my brother barely make it through 2009, 2010 and 3 months in 2011. The whole jungle want kill me. For what? See me? The whole jungle want 2 of we alone, just 2 youth. Just me and my brother, the whole jungle want kill it 2 of we. Just through me now take no push on and a punk run from the man. Saying, I'm here trying to make peace between 2 set of man. And me get involved in the blood club, migla people things, people business. When I not do with me. Saying? And when the man them kill a man, the man them go kill him back. Kill back a man, kill back the youth brother them, 2 of them brother. I'm end up a jail feet. Charged for double murder. See me? I'm gonna more than tell the police them say, yo, you know it not enough to do with me, a John Tom or Ray or Harry go do the murder. But through me there jailhouse and my family there road, but just all my own virgin. A 3 years and 4 months for their jail for no reason. How much money that cost? Eh? You know how much money that cost me and my family? Millions of dollars to pay a lawyer. For feed we at jail. For bail we. Why the fuck me I take up crime for my head, virgin? But done with crime, brother. But done with... Me not go like me a saint. We do things that we're not proud of. All heap of things that we're not proud of. But I have to do it. Because I have to live and I have to survive. But that was in the past. But I still protect myself. Because I know say I have to protect myself for the life I'm living in the past. Because I know all the pussy will hurt the same way. See me? Especially the Dan named Pablo. I pay instigate my life. Through my go against him thing. Because you have the youth them a kill them one another, brother. You them a kill off them one another through you. You corrupt the place. You hear that, dog? And me a pray you, brother. You hear me I say? Me a pray you, youth. And me I tell you this. I know your daughter-in-law, Brianna, I see this. I know you might have watch it and him son them a watch it. I'm going to tell you this, pussy. Pablo, you can't hide till God come. But done with badness, you know. But one more me have left, though. One more me have left. So you, anywhere me catch you, I see how long you can hide for, brother. Anywhere me catch you, bro. Bro, all in here get it, bro. You just go and hide, man. I'm see how long you can hide, youth. That one is personal, brother. Yo, brother, I'm tell you something. I could have ball to my family, them a foreign. And drop a dime for your head, bro. No. I tell them straight, I want to do it myself. I have to do this, brother. I have to do it because it just. You're pussy. You kill a youth, them and them thing there. Yo, I see you kill a shot in a youth. And take over the man blood clot, carry them in a pussy. Kill the youth and take over the youth, carry them, but do it a style thing. And carry him, God, don't go bury him. You want jokey. Carry him, go bury him, and don't blood clot road. Eh? Carry him, go bury him. And tell him family them say you him there town and sell clothes. And him family them swear that them head say him alive. I look upon him mother and tell her, so listen me now, stop look for the man because the man dead. The woman weep. The woman weep and hold her belly. They say just hold it man at time. At just time. Pablo, you not kill nobody for me, you know. You not kill nobody for me, yeah? Because if you kill nobody for me, I kill the whole of your son them. Tell me I tell you that. You not kill nobody for me. Any day, you think you're bad, pussy. You run Ivory Road and you see I run around there so. Any day you think you're bad. Just make a boy just pass and just stop at two Linda's road, not even looking at too hard. And you see, I say I kill every son. I not kill any daughter them, you know. I kill every son where bear your name. Tell me I tell you that. You know me. I left from around on the brother kind of corruption virgin. You hear that? I'm not bad for no boy. No Dan boy can't send me gun away. No Dan boy can't use me. All heap of you to use and then shoot them out to police. But them a fucking idiot. Them a idiot. Them can't read and write, them a dunce. Oh, and two them a dunce said, make them have you. You have them and use them. Send them go burn down people place and do all type of fuckery. For your own benefit and your own gain. See me? I'ma tell them every day, say, Pablo, no loyal to nobody but himself and him pocket. As spoils, Pablo in it for spoils. Because him a gain. Him a gain, who not gain nothing more than death. Who not gain nothing more than a funeral, bro.
When you hear that, my viewers, so Twin boy, I talk up a bag of things about the Ivory Road Dan. I say they done no loyal. I say they done only I use the youth them and this and that. Anyway, in Buck Pablo, our brawling murder. My viewers, me there so every day. And at the same thing me tell the youth them. The dance and the general them boy you no care about you no. Badness is a using thing. No loyalty no inna this. The moment you stop take talk from the Dan, and your friend him a go send fi come bust out your head. So see it you get to youth. You still make man a program on you know. Still make man a use on you know. And at the end of the day you know. And no one a friend a go send police come bust out on the head you know. You know one a Dan I go send on up a mission where crash dummy mission for the head get bust out you know. So here it is my people. Me there so every day. Me know it. That's why you see me tell the youth them about it. Say no make no sense to not kill up on yourself. I walk back a man. Make man a push all iron in on a hand bow wall off street and wall off lane. No make no sense get to youth. The energy and the time where you take a do that. Prefer go look at work. Prefer go learn a trade up a art. Cause you see at the end of the day, the general alone go live in a this you know. Remember that. So hear it them viewers. One Bagga bangarang round a Ivy Road door. So no walk with me and now. See me top Killa Bagga. Squaddy them go bust out him at a porous Manchester. After the double murder take place in the bar of porous Manchester. It's allegedly say Bagga was a part of that. People them a say Bagga never involved in that. Police them just pick pan him. Cause him is a known gunman in the area. Till see it you know. Bagga drop. Him friend them a send threat. How them a go shoot up gas station. How them a go shoot up bar. How them a go shoot up shop. No party can keep in a porous. Cause them a go take out them frustration from the community. See me always tell you about enough of them gun bag and crash dummy. Them no mean the ghetto no good. But the people them keep on feel like say them with them. When them no know say. I use the man them a use on you know. You no never know that. You no think the dance and the general them rate you know. If the dance and the general them no rate the man them who a bleach for them. And who a do the dirt for them. Then who is Uno? So as I say, Bagga friend them I say them a go turn up porous for the Christmas. So people open up on the eye and know what na do on them side there. You no see the rifle you wanna see on the screen where squaddy them go get a Rivoli. After squaddy them in the place so them a search for gunman and guns. And see it ya, them go see a man a move Gigi. And when them run him down, them find him with a big long gun. My people, you know much damage them thing you cause in a ghetto. You know much zinc fence and wall get shoot up by this. You know much people can't sleep at night time and if you sleep on the floor because enough of them rifle ya. So as what I say, JDF and JCF a do them best for clean up the street over Spanish Town. But it a go hard, cause the people them over there so now leak. Them a work with the gunman them, and them now work with the police them. So see it ya, one gone and many more to go, me a tell you no. So my viewers, you have to stay safe out there, cause we see say it's a bloody Christmas. 14 parish and the 3 county full up a beer gun bag and crash dummy, and a fight some unnecessary war we now go win. So until next time, you don't know the code of road, a life over death, my people.